Welcome to SlimTree.com. Benefit from this step aerobics video by creating a safe, quiet, and comfortable environment. We want you to familiarize and educate yourself with the help of this video by watching at least once through before acting on any of the contained information. Now get ready and enjoy. You're going to start out marching with your left lead. March it out. Use those arms. Keep marching. There's 4, 3, 2, on the step. March it up and down, up and down. Good. Take it up and down. Pump those arms out. 4, 3, 2. You're gonna tap up and down, tap up and down. Tap to the side. Good. Bicep curls. Nice and strong arms. Tap up and down. You're gonna take that leg, it's just gonna change, it's gonna go out to the side, arms out, and bicep, out, curl, out. 4 more. 3, 2, go over the top, come back over the top, tap up and down, leg side, out. 2, go over the top, tap up, leg side for 2. Over the top. Leg side for 2, last set. Out. Over the top. Give me a turn step. Turn, back the other way. 2 more. Maybe 4 more. Just leave it out. 3 more. 2.